Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw James the Rail Rocket from Thomas and Friends. Grab your marker and follow along with me. So we're going to start with the side of James and we can start at the bottom. I want you to draw a straight line. We're just going to draw a line down, sort of a hook shape, and you're going to go straight back and go smaller as you go back. And then we're going to continue, we're going to leave an open gap and we're going to continue with this line. And then we're going to connect it right there. And now we're going to draw 3 wheels and 3 wheels. I'm going to start here. And I'm going to draw these ovals for my wheels, 3 of them, right to the back. And then we'll just sort of draw the front part of the wheel as well, right there. There we go. That one's behind that one, and we'll take it back. And then 3 circles inside as well. Now let's do it again. 3 circles, 3 wheels, three little circles inside. Now from here on top, we're going to draw a half circle right on top of the wheel. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing, another half circle and another half circle, and make it a little bit bigger each time because it's coming closer to us. Now I'm going to draw a little line out like this. I'm going to make it nice and round and I'm going to bring it back like this. Now this one is behind, so we're going to start there, we're going to bring it back, and maybe there's a little line there, and this one the same. And then we have 3 of these hoops. Next up, right on top of this wheel, I want you to draw a straight line up the short line, and then you're going to draw a line back, roughly to the middle, and then just bring it back. So you're going to draw a block like that. Then on top of that, you're going to try and we're going to start here on top. So I'm going to start on top and we're going to make a mark there, and straight up I'm going to make another mark there as well. So I'm going to draw another line like this. So it's like wide and it goes smaller. And what I will do, I'll make it and I'll connect it like this. Now what I'm going to do next, it's going to be a bit more complicated. I'm going to draw a little line down. And then from this corner, I'll draw another line down. I make a nice circle and I'll connect it like this. I'll do the same thing. Just follow this line, bring it up and connect it right there. And then you'll stop right there. Since we have this, you're going to draw a little skew line and you're just going to make a bit of a longer line. And then on top, let's make a mark again and you're just going to connect it back like this. Now within this, we're going to draw a circle. I'm going to start right here. And I'll draw a circle in it. Like this. And right here in the middle, I'm going to draw a little nose. And from the nose, I'll draw a line both ways. And then on top of this, I'm going to draw an eye. And on this side, we'll draw another eye. A pupil, light reflection, and a pupil and a light reflection. And on top of that, we're going to draw another line, and there's the mask. Good. And right on top of the mask, an eyebrow and another eyebrow. Let's fill the eyebrows and the pupils in. Now right below the nose, we're going to draw a little smile again with a little cheek there and then the bottom lip. Now let's continue. Now from here, I'm going to draw a little line down and I'm going to sort of copy the same thing here as well. Like this. And then I'm going to connect it and I'm just going to bring a line down. Now on this side, we're going to draw a straight line out and I'm going to connect it to the corner And then right here, we're going to draw a little antenna standing up. We're going to color it in black. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. You're going to draw a little antenna there at the back, and you're going to color it in as well. Now we're going to draw 2 circles. I'm going to draw a circle right here and a smaller one right here, so I can bring this corner down. Now from this, you can draw these 2 little blocks, and now in the middle of this, between these 2, and you're going to connect the lines. There we go. And you're going to connect it right there as well. And right around here, I'm just going to draw a little block sticking out there. From here to up here, I'm just going to draw a little curve going down. And then from on top of this, you're going to draw a little chimney. And just the top part of the chimney. And here at the back, it looks like a whistle. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Little whistle. Let's call it a whistle. Then we have rail rocket, so double R. Now we're just going to draw an R here and here as well. There we go. And of course a lightning bolt. Good. So that's the front part done. I just want to quickly connect this to the wheel. Right. Now we're going to draw the cabin. So I'm going to start here, do a straight line first, and then from here I'm just going to bring a light curve down, bring it about half down, a quarter down, and then something like that. And then right here there's a window. We can draw the window right there. Now on top we have a cloak. So I'm going to start here at the point, just going to make a cloak. There we go. And now we can do the back section, the trailer. Right, so I'm just going to make 2 lines there. I'm going to first draw a block shape, so. And I'm going to connect it like this. And then we're going to draw a straight line back to the cabin as well. And then lastly, we can draw the little rocket with a lightning bolt here as well. Here's the rocket, and I'll draw a little lightning bolt here as well. And there we go, and there's chains. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.